Welcome to our main stop for today. Where are we going to, Dave?
We are heading to Knowlton Covered Bridge.
We think because the sign disappeared.
Yeah. This bridge collapsed years back, and there's, look,
wow.
There it is. Ah, yeah.
Wow. We both seen it as it was like collapsing.
Nice. If they would just take the blue outhouse away from there, that would be picture perfect with this road. Can you go move it and I'll stay back here?
No.
Although you can go to the other side now.
Yeah, I saw that.
I don't know how.
Yeah, I have no clue. Maybe that's where they moved the sign to.
Huh. Interesting. How do you get to the other side?
By walking across the bridge.
Well, yeah, but there's a car over there too. There's a road.
Well, we'll go over and talk to them and find out how you get there.
Ooh, I almost dropped the camera, the phone. Knowlton Covered Bridge. I am going to put pictures right here of what it looked like the last time I was here.
And you know what's pretty interesting?
What's that?
Our introductions are going to sound like exactly the same introduction.
We are. If you go to the Traveling Underwood channel, I'm talking to my channel.
Or if you go to his channel,
West Virginian Livin,
I'm talking to my channel.
You're going to have the same exact intros. This is impressive. Very impressive. Well done. This is gorgeous. I don't know. I don't know what to say. This is awesome looking. They did an extremely good job of rebuilding this bridge. So yes, this bridge is all brand spanking new. They built it this past year. Again, you've seen the pictures of what it looked like the last time I was here, what was left of it. I never got to see it before it collapsed and before that little section finally went. So yeah, this is very, very impressive. And I do believe that's the Muskingum River or Little Muskingum River. I can't remember. So I think I can do it. I'm going to go down this little slope because I can go down it sideways and hopefully set up shop right there with the wide angle lens and just get a straight on shot of it with the river. All right, let me show you this from the other side. You know, pretty much looks the same.
You're absolutely right. It does.
Yeah, it does. It looks exactly the same, don't it?
Yeah, it does.
It's just got a hillside behind it that wasn't on the other side. But yeah, anyway.
It's got a yellow sign in the background there too.
Oh yeah, see them posted signs underneath the bridge there, way over there. But yeah, but I mean, it does overall. It looks the same, but it's still pretty cool.
Yeah, it is.
But let me show you this.
That's pretty cool too.
That right there, zoom in. I just got a picture of that. I hope that comes out as good as it looks.
Well, I would snap the picture right now.
And my primary focus, since I don't do fancy videos and editing and stuff like that, is my primary focus is obviously the water in the center.
And blurring your screen with your phone.
Yeah, I'm blurring it out. But I wanted these trees up here as a border, but I did two different versions. I had one down low, and I had one up where you got some of the sky. But the sky is blah right now, so I really didn't want a lot of the sky. But down below here, you see this grass that's been washed over where the water has obviously come up pretty high at some point, which is obviously really high if it's come up there.
Yeah.
But I use that as the bottom frame. So we will see if this picture comes out good. You had something to say?
No, I didn't.
Your head is huge right now because I'm zoomed in on 2x. That's messed up. When you He cut me off. Did you hear that?
Yeah, I did cut you off, but now my video's on, so speak.
Oh, speak. I have permission to Hey, there's an echo.
There is an echo. You have permission to make an echo too.
So Knowlton Covered Bridge here. Pretty cool. Hopefully you enjoy the pictures of it.
I won't have, well, I don't know. I may have pictures.
For those of you on Ed's channel, come over and watch my video. For my people on my channel, go over and watch Ed's video.
What he said.
And if we're on our game, we'll have them released at least around the same time. We say that all the time.
It worked on Ogilvy.
It did work on Ogilvy.
Yeah.
Well, and last week when we did the maple syrup one.
Yeah, actually that worked out too.
Yeah.
So we're at 2 in a row.
Yeah. So Knowlton Covered Bridge is pretty awesome to see it rebuilt, and I keep getting that post right in the center sticking up. So I want to see it with the lights on, but I can't find the plug to plug it in. So I'll resist the urge. I think it would be a cool picture, but Ed's using a fancy camera.
Yeah, I'm using a fancy camera.
He's got a little DJI Osmo Pocket 2.
Yeah, DJ. Yeah. Two.
So for my viewers, hope you enjoyed this short little impromptu trip.
For my viewers, hey, you know what I'm going to get ready to say.
Mine, enjoy the pictures.
Mine, I'll see you on my next adventure.